backwater snook piece. This guy is so purple it's not even funny. And I think it's a short snook. I'm not sure, but it looks like a short snook. I've never had one before, but it looks like a short snook or a big-eye snook. But I think it's a short snook. I don't know. It's crazy. How pretty is he? Look at that. I've never seen one of these before. Oh, we're going to put him back, but how nice. Yo, I can't believe it. I caught like 4 different kind of snooks. I've caught everything today. I can't believe it. Today, I'm so blessed. Man, it's better than going out in the boat, man. It's crazy, yo. I caught a short snook. I don't know if it's a fat snook. I don't know what it is, but trying to get this Tarpon well, and all that I'm getting here is snook. It's crazy. I had a big, oh my God. They're busting right around me. So we gotta try to get in here, man. They're busting right around me. Hold on one second. I don't have too many shrimp left, but we're gonna try for this Tarpon. Another little baby Tarpon. This is nuts, kid. Little baby Tarpon, see? Look at him. Get out of trying to get the big one, man, but they don't want to bite, yeah? Shit. Big one bit once, and that was it.